हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इम्पैक्टिंग क्वालिटी एजुकेशन। आशा करें आपण मैंने भलरे थे। चलते आज डिस्कसन करवा कॉमन पीजी एंट्रांस टेस्ट रो जूलॉजी क्वेश्चन जोटा कि आज है आपण मैंने जानते। तो वीडियो भल लगे लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब निहाती करेंगे एवं आपण केते मार्क रखिंट कमेंट सेक्शन में निहाती जनइबे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है epithelial tissue are always found immediately adjacent to connective tissue because they यार आंसर हम a lack of blood cells. Second question, a series of functional changes that causes a sperm cell to beat more vigorously and prepare its plasma membrane to fuse with the oocyte's plasma membrane is called. ये किसी नहीं खाली क्वेश्चन टाको लेंथी कर दीजिए। आंसर हम फर्टिलाइजेशन। एट गैप जंक्शन नेबरिंग सेल्स आर कनेक्टेड बाय मेम्ब्रेन प्रोटीन्स कॉल्ड कनेक्शंस। क्वेश्चन फॉर अप्रोक्सीमेटली हाउ लॉन्ग आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन डज इम्प्लांटेशन ऑफ एन एम्ब्रियो यूजुअली ऑकर। आंसर हम अबाउट 6 days। 5 number क्वेश्चन, व्हिच बोन सेल्स आर बोन बिल्डिंग सेल्स। आंसर हम ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, supporting cells in nervous tissue are called neuroglia. Answer about neuroglia. Next question, a sprinter would experience muscle fatigue sooner than a marathon runner due to. Answer about A, anaerobic metabolism in the muscles of sprinter. Next question, collared flagellated cells that cover large parts of inner chamber of sponges helping water circulation to continue are. Answer of B, choanocytes. Next question, the coral species that build reefs are known as. Answer of B, hermatypic, also known as hard corals. Next question, rhabdids are present in the cells of the epidermis in. Answer of C, to turbellaria. Question number 11, syncytial epidermis is the characteristic features of which of the following organism. Answer of A, ascaris. 12, biodiversity is observed to. Answer of A, increase towards the equator. Next question, which of the following is correct for R-related species. Answer of C, large number of progeny with small size. Next question, the Shannon diversity index. Answer of C, A and B. Next question, 15, lectins are proteins specific to. Answer of D, carbohydrate specific to enzyme. Question number 16, error-free repair of double-stranded breaks in DNA occurs by. Answer was C, homologous recombination. Next question, in eukaryotes, mismatch repair mechanism is initiated by B, strand-specific nicks. Actually, question number 8 और 19 टे कन्फ्यूज अच्छी आपण मैंने देखिए जो ऑफिशियल की आंसर की आसो कि जो आसो आप देखी ने। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1972. आंसर हम ए, प्रोटेक्ट एंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आरीवाड़ा रिफर्स टू. आंसर हम मास नेस्टिंग ऑफ ऑलिव रिडल टर्टल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 मध्य मुझे कन्फ्यूज अच्छे तेणुक मु आंसर किसी कहूना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, next question, antigen antibody reaction detected by a precipitate formation on an agar gel is A, immunodiffusion assay. Next question, 24. The reaction that lead to formation of question number 24. The reaction that lead to the formation of amino acid from the TCA cycle intermediate are. Answer about transmission. C. 25 मैच करबा ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଛି तो यार आंसर हबो A, that is M2. M receptor tyrosine kinase, reception of insulin signal. N CGMP तार पेयर हबो 4 receptor guanylyl cyclase. O GAP तार पेयर हबो inactivation of G proteins. तापरे हबो P nuclear receptor तार पेयर हबो reception of insulin signal. Next question. Methymoglobinemia is caused by the drinking of water contaminated with, that is A nitrate. In a chi-square test, what will be the degrees of freedom for a contingency table consisting of 3 rows and 2 columns? Your answer hobo A 2. Air formula hala R minus 1 into C minus 1. तापरे next question. When ligand gated ion channels open, ions move through these channels under the influence of the एटा टिके कन्फ्यूज अच्छी लगुच बी हम बट मो कन्फ्यूज अच्छी. नेक्स्ट 29. न्यूरल मॉड्यूलेशन फ्रीक्वेंटली वर्क्स via second messengers that activate CMP. Answer of C CMP dependent kinase to phosphorylate a protein. 30 number question. Sorry mark करबा ପାଇଁ भूलिगले. 30 number question. Stem cells that can differentiate into all cell lineages is. Answer of B embryonic stem cells. 31. In regard to the cross bridge power stroke, it is true that. Answer of A. In concentric contractions, the CB power stroke pulls the axon filament towards the center of sarcomere, causing sarcomere shortening. Next question 32. Waldeyer's ring is a. Answer of C tertiary lymphoid organ. तापरे आसीबो हमर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 33 नंबर. Phylogenetically the oldest antibody is A IgM. 34. Peptide binding cleft or group of class 2 MHC molecule is formed by. Answer of A alpha 1 and alpha 2 domains. 35. The decrease in response to repeated or continuous stimulation is called. Answer of C habituation. Next question. The interaction in which an individual gives up or sacrifices some of its own reproductive potential to benefit another individual is called. Answer of altruism. Next question 37. A biological cycle or rhythm that is approximately 24 hours long is called. Answer of circadian. B. Next question 38. EDTA prevents cell adhesion by binding to ions of. Answer of D calcium. Next question. The process of de-differentiation in cell culture can give rise to. Answer of A induced pluripotent stem cells. Next question 40. In which type of signaling the cell that express messenger molecules also produce receptor? It have answer A autocrine. Next, steroids are derived from. Answer of B cholesterol. 42. Seminal plasma in human males rich in. Answer of A fructose and calcium. Next question. Which of the following is not an accessory respiratory organ in fishes? That is A. Pectoral girdle. Next question, the process of old crust being pulled down and remelted is? Answer about D. Subduction. Next question 45, Wagner's evidence for his theory of continental drift. Answer about B. Recognized that plant and animal fossils besides rock layer matched on the two continents of Africa and South America. Next question, approximately what percentage of world's birds species migrate? That is our answer A. 40%. Next question, when using tracking devices, as a rule of thumb, what percentage of bird's body mass should be device weight? Answer about B. 3%. Next question, which of the following reaction is catalyzed by lions? That is our answer A. Breaking of bonds. Next question, which of the following is shared characteristics of all chordates? Answer about D. Dorsal hollow nerve cord. Next question, chordate pharyngeal slits appear to have functioned first as? Answer about A. Digestive systems opening. Next 51 and 52 confuse अछि. तापरे जिबा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 53. Who proposed the theory on the cause of cat extinction? That is our C. Louis Alvarez. Next question, Huxley explained origin of man in his book. That is our C. The man's place in nature. Next question, in northern hybridization, probe hybridization forms both A and B. Next question, which one of the following neurotransmitter would you expect to find in the synapse during first inhibitory synaptic transmission? That is A. GABA. Question number 57, what is largely responsible for the negative resting membrane potential in a neuron? That is D. Potassium leak current. तापरे जिबा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 58 number, a couple can be assisted to have a child through gift. The full form of this technique is? That is about B. Gamete intrafallopian tube transfer. Next question, which of the following is not a marine fish? That is answer about D. Carp. 60. Bandipur sanctuary is located in? Answer about B. Karnataka. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of tussar silk? That is B. Obtained from Bombyx mori. Next question, which of the following insect is called scavenger? Answer about D. All of these. तापरे आसो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 63. Salinity of the world's oceans fall within? That is A. 33 to 38 PSU. Next question, the vitamin needed to prevent spina bifida? That is A. Folate. Next question, cholera is caused through contaminated water? A. HIV initially infects cell expressing CCR5? That is B. Pathogen which typically causes immune deficiency and increases the risk of secondary infection is? Answer about A. Measles virus. Next question, which of the following species of honey bee is not found in India? That is A. Apis mellifera. Next question, which vaccine is not included in Indradhanush mission? That is meningococcal meningitis. Last question, who founded WHO funds which program in India? That is बी नेशनल लेप्रोसी इराडिकेशन प्रोग्राम। क्वेश्चन 70टा थिला। आपण माने देखिकी केतेटा ठीक कले कमेंट सेक्शन में निहाती जणेबे। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।